In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit products and variants on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to quickly update prices, inventory, titles, and more across many items at once, all from your Shopify admin. First, head to Shopify and sign into your store. From your admin dashboard, open the products section. This page lists every product in your catalog. If you want to work on everything at once, use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all items currently shown. If you only need a subset, use the search bar and filters first, then select those results. Choose the selection that fits your update so you only change what you intend. With your product selected, click Bulk Edit. This opens Shopify's spreadsheet-style editor, which is designed for fast changes. You'll see rows for each product and columns for fields like title, price, compare at price, inventory, SKU, status, and more. Use the column selector to add or remove the fields you want to edit. Click into any cell to make a change and use your keyboard to move between cells quickly. You can copy and paste or click and drag from a filled cell to repeat a value down a column, which is great for setting the same vendor, product status, or tag across many items. If you're adjusting inventory, make sure you're editing the correct location if your store has multiple locations. When you're satisfied, click Save and let Shopify apply the changes. It may take a moment for large edits to process. If you need to bulk edit variants instead of entire products, open a product that has variants. In the variants section, select the variants you want to change. This can be all variants or just a filtered set like a single size or color. Then click Bulk Edit. You'll get the same grid view, but now each row represents a variant. Add the columns you need, such as variant price, compare at price, SKU, barcode, inventory, or shipping weight, and make your edits just like before. Drag to fill when you want the same value across multiple variants, or paste in a column of values if you prepared them elsewhere. When you're done, click Save to commit those updates. Before you exit, review a few items to confirm everything looks right. For major updates, consider exporting a CSV beforehand as a quick backup. That's it. Bulk editing products and variants in Shopify is a huge time saver once you know where to click and how to use the editor efficiently.